Welcome educators. In this video, we will learn about Canva. The very first step is you need to sign up. After that, your account is ready and you can create multiple designs for free. There are unlimited templates available. You can choose according to your choice. Here you go. Choose a custom template or else you can select a blank one also so that you can start from scratch. Choose your design type and start creating your designs. You can also edit your designs. There are multiple categories. Select any one of them to start creating your own design. Make new and fresh designs and give your designs a new look. You can also edit your designs according to your choice. You can explore multiple options in Canva and create designs according to your need. Select image for your design from Canva or drag any image from your system. Make your teaching easy and simple with Canva. When you are done with all the creating and editing stuff, you can simply download your design. Canva offers you many features to create beautiful designs. Thank you for watching. We will see you in the next video. Until then, bye and happy teaching.